Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got two mystery boxes to share with you and they're both from Next. I've got a top to toe mystery box and it has a saving of over 69%, and I've got a makeup mystery box. Now this one is currently sold out, unfortunately. I can't find it on their website, but I just thought I'd show you anyway. This cost me £15 and it has a 60% saving. So besides the makeup one, you're still able to get this one, and there is a skincare mystery box as well. I'll pop a link down below in my description to the beauty box page where you'll see a huge list of different beauty boxes, and there's a couple of new ones there. There's Dermalogica, there's Iconic London, and there's a few mixed beauty boxes, but I thought I'd go for the mystery ones because they're always a bit exciting. Although saying that, if you were to scroll down, once you click on the box, scroll down the page, you will see a big list of products. Now you're going to get some of them. You don't know exactly what's going to be inside the box, but you are going to get a selection of those featured. So I had a look at this one, but then I wanted this one to be a surprise. So I haven't got a clue what type of products in the makeup one. But yeah, so you'll find all the details, all the links, all my giveaways and discount codes and offers to other websites all down below. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you then the top to toe mystery box. Open it up. Oh, cute! Look! Seen a brush, that's the first thing I saw. Okay, how many things have I got in here then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting off with a brush. This is a wet brush, so it can be used on wet hair, as the name suggests. It's a mini detangler, and the bristles allow for 45% less breakage, 55% less effort, 100% happier hair. I really like this design, look. I have got quite a few of these now. I don't really need a new one, but this is really pretty. Look. Really nice bristles. They are really great. I've been using them for the last couple of years now. And yeah, just nice and kinder to your hair. Or I use a wide tooth comb. I go through my hair with a wide tooth comb and then I go through it with this then afterwards. No, I'm not going to brush my hair. I've just washed my hair a couple of hours ago. So I've just left it dry naturally. So if I brush it, it'll just go whoosh. So I've got a wet brush, a mini detangler. Then I really like this Skinny Tan Mousse. This is a streak-free, natural-looking self-tan, easy to apply and long-lasting formula, delicious coconut scent. And there's 50 mils here. I love the size of this because whenever I go on holiday, away for a weekend or whatever, I always fake tan. Although when I went to Iceland last month, that's the first time ever I didn't bother fake tanning. What's the point? I'm covered up from head to toe. Literally, that's all you see is this part of my face and my hands sometimes. So before I go, I apply the fake tan, and then I like to top up while I'm away just to stop it from looking like tiger bready, you know, the stripes on my skin. This is really handy. It's a nice little size to take away with me. I have used this before. I love Skinny Tan. I've actually got a Skinny Tan fake tan on my left bottom cheek at the moment. I've got to explain now. I'm testing out two fake tans. I've got Coco and Eve on my right cheek and Skinny Tan on my left cheek. I'm going away on a weekend in a couple of weeks' time and I'm not going to be taking swimwear, so I thought a really good place to test out tan is my bum. So that's what I did. These are the ones I was testing out. So yeah, I'm preferring the Coco and Eve so far, so I might stick to that one. But this is a really close second though, it is really good. But anyway, back to the unboxing, because I'm sure you don't want to know how I test my fake tans out. So yeah, basically I'm chuffed to this, I really like that. Then we've got Esper. This is Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. It's an intensive mineral rich treatment that conditions to leave hair feeling soft and smooth and the scalp feeling nourished. And there's 30 mils here. I've tried this numerous times as well. We've had it a few times, I think, in different Next beauty boxes, plus other beauty boxes I've unboxed as well. I like the feeling of it on my scalp as well. Yeah, and it's bright pink. Okay, it's not bright pink like my name. Not luminous. Whoop! Oh, flipping aura. Typical. Oh no. Never mind. So we've got a mud mask for your hair. Then we've got Olaplex number 3. This is a pre-shampoo treatment. It repairs and strengthens for all hair types. There's 20 mils here. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. You apply it to damp hair, massage it all in, leave it on for about 10 minutes. Whenever I've used it, I've left it on for about half an hour or so. And then you go on to using your shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, it is a really nice product. I think this is my favourite product from all of the Olaplex range. So yes, we've got number 3 pre-shampoo treatment there. And then lastly, we have got L'Occitane. This is a hand cream, a dry skin hand cream with 20% shea butter, and there's 30 mils. Again, a beauty box favourite. A really gorgeous hand cream, really, really nice. I'm going to have to open it up because my hands are desperately in need. Hopefully not too much. There. I know you can't see how well. Oh, God, look. But hopefully you can see like the thickness. It's just so nice. It's got like a baby smell to it, you know? Like a clean baby smell. Yeah, I love that. I've got a few of them. So it'll go to my collection. So there you go. So those are all the items in the top to toe mystery box from Next. If you were to get this box for yourself, as I said at the start, there's no guarantee that you will receive exactly the same items that I have, as there's quite a few products there. But yeah, but I just wanted to show you the type of things that you would get in the box. So yeah, for £12, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's quite a good one. Now on to the makeup mystery box, which yeah, it must be sold out because I can't find it anywhere. It's all hidden. All hidden. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items again. Starting off, we've got Nails Ink. This is Nail Kale Base Coat to cover all bases with Nails Ink. Yeah, so even though I have my nails done at a salon, that'd be quite nice to put on my toes actually. I've been trying to sort my toes out recently. Just making them look a little bit more presentable. I gave them a little trim the other day and a little file, and I've got the most gorgeous foot bath. It's got massaging rollers and things in it. So I'm trying to soften up my feet just so that they look more presentable, ready to wear sandals. So I think that'd be quite nice actually to put on my nails before I put any polish. At the moment, I've got no polish on them. Basically, I will use that. There, we've got Benefit. This is 24-hour brow setter, and there's, I was going to say 20. No, there's 2 mils there. So this is a eyebrow setting gel. This is really great. It's a really great formula. It's a little mini one. And yeah, I've been using it for years as well. I do love Benefit, their brow products. Then we got Clinique. This is a mascara and it's all written off. What's going on? I can't read it. High something mascara optimal. There's I have had this before. I should know what it says really, but I can't think. But yeah, so it's a little mini mascara in black. I actually don't like this one. I don't like a natural look, and when I've tried this, it's just more of a natural sort of finish. I like mine to be thick and dark and black and lifted, and yeah, that just doesn't work with me. Then we got a beauty box familiar. Next loves putting these in their boxes. This is Clarins 21 Lip Perfector with shea butter, 5 mils. I keep saying this and I feel like a broken record. But I'm going to say it again. Every time I get something for the lips, I put it in a little box and the whole family just goes in there and uses what they want. I'm sure I've got more of these than anything else, which is fine. It's a really nice one. And it's got like a little sponge at the top there. See? It is a really, really nice one, but I do get it quite a lot. It must be just Next boxes. I don't think I've ever had it in a Look Fantastic or a Glossy box or any other box. I don't think so anyway. But yeah, it's a Lip Perfector with shea butter by Clarins. And then lastly, we've got a Laura Mercier lipstick in shade New Prefer. It's a little mini one. What is New Prefer? Ooh, it's quite nice. Like a corally, let's see. Yeah, I really like that. We usually get a rosy one, but I really like that. That is definitely a colour I'd wear. And those are all the products in the makeup mystery box, which is unfortunately now sold out, so you can't get that one. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of these mystery boxes? Did you get any for yourself? How do they compare to what you see in me inbox? I'd love to hear. And yeah, are you going to get one for yourself, or are you thinking, nah, I'm not going to bother? So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.